In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a COGS account in Xero and why it's an essential step for managing your finances. If you're just starting out with Xero, stick around because I'll walk you through it step by step. First, let's quickly explain what COGS is. COGS stands for cost of goods sold. This account is used to track the direct costs of producing goods that your business sells. It helps you calculate your gross profit and gives you a clearer picture of your financial performance. Now let's jump into Xero and set up your COGS account. When you're in your Xero dashboard, head over to the accounting menu at the top of your screen and select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts, including COGS, will be listed and managed. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, click on the Add Account button. A new window will pop up where you'll need to choose the account type. For COGS, select Expense from the drop-down menu. This will categorize your COGS account correctly within your overall expenses. Next, give your COGS account a name. I recommend naming it something clear like Cost of Goods Sold or COGS Direct Costs, so it's easy to identify later on. You can also add a description for clarity, but this is optional. Now it's time to link your COGS account to the proper tax settings. For most businesses, this would be no tax or whatever tax setting applies to your region. Make sure you double check this based on your tax jurisdiction because getting this wrong could mess with your reports. Once everything looks good, click Save and your COGS account is set up. You can now start categorizing transactions related to your goods sold, such as inventory purchases, direct labor costs, or other direct production costs. This will automatically calculate the cost of goods sold and reflect the impact on your profit. As you move forward, you can create journal entries or import transactions that affect your COGS account. Whenever you make sales or purchases related to inventory or direct costs, simply assign them to this COGS account in Xero. So, why is setting up a COGS account in Xero so important? Well, properly tracking your COGS helps you calculate your gross profit accurately and provides insights into the profitability of your business. You can use this data to make more informed decisions about pricing, inventory management, and cost control. Plus, it makes tax time much easier as your expenses are already organized. Before I go, don't forget you can try Xero for free with an exclusive extended trial through the first link in the description below. This is a great opportunity to test it out and see how it can help streamline your accounting. So that's how you set up a COGS account in Xero. It's quick and straightforward, and now you have the tools to keep your financials organized. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Make sure to check out the link below for your exclusive free trial, and I'll see you in the next video.